My people, I hear say inside Abuja Kasala don dey burst o. Say Nnamdi Kanu supporters versus one Nigerian group don begin confront themselves over Nnamdi Kanu case. Una know say yesterday they carry this man go court over the alleged case. Okay, na India among the people wey dey cause destruction inside Nigeria. Now there I hear say these two groups come decide say okay, they won't meet for that place. Say they won't use their voice fight themselves. My people wey never watch this one, they can follow me see. Now, wow, it be like say people don't even get work again. But anyway, me, I like the fact say this on a fight, it no result into anything violent. Or they do am on a coded level. But I dey very certain say this one Nigerian group, I sure say they pay on. Because with the looks of this, on no even get supporters. No be on go come outside they protect before people go support them. Everybody knows say this Nigeria way we dey, it no dey okay. So I don't know this one they shout one Nigerian, one what, and even know this one they shout. Then this one Nigerian people, they can't carry a coffee where they write IPOB killed our security. I don't understand. IPOB killed our security. I beg waiting bandits can they do to on our own security. Because now they take the thing now one sided and no one talk true. Okay, fine and good, make we assume say na IPOB. I beg IPOB na be Nnamdi Kanu. Na Nnamdi Kanu carry the gun go kill these people. Anyway, as in matter be, I hear say they don't adjourn this in case again to 2022. I don't know when that one will come again. But anyway, as the matter they go, we go still dey here to content about that one. Anyways, my people now here, I go end up on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. Wonder shall never end. Hey, they just catch one woman inside Onitsha with a stolen baby. And based on what this woman they talk, she talks here and she meets the owner of this woman baby. Say she meets the woman for road. Now there she tell the woman, okay, give me your pikin. And say willingly, now there this woman accept, carry pikin, give her. I beg, no be juju be down. Now there this woman can't carry this pikin. Only God knows what she won't go do with the pikin. Be na to sell her, I be na to use her for ritual. Now there the youth for this community can't see her. Now in the bust her so. My people never see this one, They can join me watch.
Okay. Why are you joining now?
Yeah, so madam.
So
one go there with your uniform.
No, person go there with this uniform.
Somebody go there with the uniform.
So this is Anambra Youth Volunteer. This is what is happening in Opiweka right now. So I'm making this video to alert every one of you. If you have any woman that just gave to birth that is looking for her child, or maybe that sold her child, anything, please, even the government and the masses, you will help us to locate this woman. This is the woman in question that will cut with the baby. So, and this is the chairman of the youth. So this thing is happening right now in Opiweka. If you have any news to this baby, please alert us. So madam, you can, madam, concentrate. So chairman, tell us please.
The woman with the baby. According to the interview, she said she received the baby from Okoko in Asaba.
Okay.
She resides in Onitsha here, while she's from Enugu State.
Okay.
Which side in Enugu?
Madam, please tell us, which side in Enugu State are you from? Amiche.
Okunano.
What?
Enugu State.
Okay.
That is where she's from. Please, I'm saying something.
Okay.
So she said she intercepted the mother of this child on the way.
Okay.
On the way around the Oko village.
In Asaba.
In Asaba.
Okay.
That's where she got this child.
Okay.
I asked her how much she gave to the mother of this child. She did not say the particular amount, but she mentioned that she gave the woman only a little money. Ego na exactly.
So, madam, please. Madam, woman, please tell us your name and your address.
My name.
Please speak louder.
Rosaline. 5 Ajasa.
Number 5 Ajasa Street. At where? Onitsha. Okay.
Ego na ese mgbaho. No obere ego ka inyere nne nwa. Obere ego ahụ inyere nne nwa bụ ego one. Yes,
madam, please be sincere. You know we just rescue you from the masses.
Now I don't even begin to fear mothers. Mothers will be say person go they look and say, okay, this one a grown up woman. We go supposed to look up to her. Now they commit this kind of thing. And with the looks of things, are they very certain say this mama they lie? Because if you not listen to what she they talk, everything don't even add up at all. But I feel say this youth leader, you don't give this mama too much chance. Because the way where this mama they peacefully talk, it be like say she did very, very relaxed. Person will be said to suppose don't give her one kind hustler for her to vomit all the truth. They come there, they give her special treatment. They ask her question, jejely. But women, I know they understand. What do you want use this baby do? Because make we look and find and good, you won't carry and go give person. Why be say the person no go through the legal process of say going to adopt pikin? Now pikin will be say person born. Person don't use 9 months, carry finish 9 hours, can't decide saying on I won't go useless the pikin life. But as it be, I short may they just legalize something inside Nigeria. Or now see as abroad people, if you say okay, you know if you carry this belly, you know if you born them, where be say they will give you legal guidance. Maybe make they start to the door inside Nigeria. So those will be say that feels okay, this pikin we don't want that. But they go they sell them out. Because this whole this thing we say they do now, we be say they will kidnap and it no suppose make sense, it no even good at all. This one a bad thing to mothers. So this one my people now here, now see make a bring and come. Make now stay tuned for our next story. Hello my wonderful people. Finally inside Anambra State, I hear say they don't complete their last election inside Ihala. And say everything don't go well, and after the whole counting, now still the party will be say carry am before. Now see they lead down on All Progressive Grand Alliance Party. Now then they top the chart. So right now, make a talk say we don't even get a new governor by name Mr. Chukuma Soludo. Now he be the new leader now. And this man now don't come outside, they celebrate, they thank people who vote for him. But people will never watch this one, make now join me see.
Thank you. You're all welcome. That's quite good news, and let me just make a few quick remarks. This is about early hours of the morning on Wednesday up to midnight. And let me say, with utmost humility and gratitude to God, I accept the results of the 2021 Anambra governorship election. This reflects the supreme will of the Almighty God and an overwhelming sacred mandate of the people. For 12 years since the massive clamor by the people of Anambra for us to serve them, we persevered to this divine moment. This is a divine journey whose time has come. To God be all the glory and adoration. We have a very long list of persons whom God has used to make this moment a reality. In particular, we thank all members of AFGA, especially our national leader, His Excellency Sir Willie Madabro Obiano and his amiable wife, our national chairman, Ozongo Victor Ikoyi and his wife, members of the BOT, members of our NEC, State Exco, and etc., for availing the opportunity to fly the APGA flag and the cohesive party support. Many thanks go particularly to our able campaign committees at various levels, our first-rate legal team, and all other stakeholders who work tirelessly and informally to see us through. We are grateful to all the stakeholders of the Anambra project, the clergy and the church, traditional rulers, ASATU, labor market, trade and professional unions, youths and women organizations, non-indigenous associations, businessmen and captains of industry, the diaspora community, persons with disability, etc., etc. We thank all our donors, especially the hundreds of thousands of members of the 41 self-funding support groups who, for the past 2 years, put in their sweat and personal funds to propel this project. Never mind that all of you could not vote. The limited number that voted is still representative of the wishes of the people. We are humbled by the massive support of stakeholders and Nigerians across the entire country. Your donations and goodwill are immensely treasured. In particular, I thank my wife, Queen Frances Nanye Soludo, and children, Ozonna, Ifa, Tuchi, Noah, Ekene, Odoga, and Zigora, for their love and sacrifices. Despite your deep reservations, you still allowed and supported me to step out in the service of our people. As I promised, I will work hard every day, never to disappoint you. At this moment, we must remember, and will continue to remember, all those who died in the course of this movement, especially the 3 policemen who were killed by unknown gunmen during our town hall meeting with use in my ward. May God continue to grant their souls eternal rest. Amen.
Congratulations to you, sir. In fact, this one you do well, because I don't reason I say you must not do well before these people go decide say now you they won't vote for. But this man they very thankful because say wait, if no be said now God, this man for don't die. For those of now we no during the whole period of who we hear say unknown government, unknown this one, I hear say this man go one meeting. Now there I don't know who send them this unknown government, they go attack him. But fortunately, this man they alive. But unfortunately, in security guards, the 3 soldiers obviously they follow up. I guess the 3 of them die. So if no be God, I dey very sad to say this man no go even there for this position. Now why they talk and say, Mr. Soludo, as you don't enter, I don't know where your security will even double. Because when it looks of things, it be like say these people no want you. We don't know who send them, but it be like say you be big threat to them. But as you don't come as I can't talk all this your promise, I hope say no go come fail us because now so now they come as I can't do. And I go come out with good plans and I go do road, do this one. Last now I come they show us pepper. We hope say no be so you go be you go at least show your people your positive impact. Show them say okay, you really deserve this or say they vote for you. Anyway, I go say talk say congratulations to Anambra people because I did very certain now when I vote for on a right. I sure say na person we on a want because me I don't expect say na either PDP I be na APC person I go win. But as you know, as they know win, the thing really shocked me. It means say in other states, these people go down, this party go down turn to threat. Because they go begin on the fear now. Look and say the almighty PDP, they don't even carry one. Almighty APC say, they know which one please. But anyway, as these other elections go they go, and so we go they here, they see them. Anyways, my people, now here, I go end up on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.